You guys, good morning. Yeah, this is a quick money briefing on a stepping desk. I spotted this entry yesterday, and I saw that it give us we could check, we go to 30 minute, 15 minute time frame, we confirm head and shoulder here. So, and we confirm the breakouts. In fact, I didn't mean it wasn't night. We will have entered more confirmations as in more entries when the stop broke out, but we don't have problem with that. So we are waiting for this next support to be broken. We have a rejection here, and the price is here again and it's showing some kind of rejection again. So all we are going to wait for is for price to break the support, a retest to it, then we add more entries. This is as RTP, as TP still far. This is the A plus A top that we don't have to we don't have to play with. And let's see at worst, let's put the HBT HBT fib and see where we are still heading to. Do you see at least we are still heading to 81, at worst 8198, at worst 8198. So but I believe that price is still going to go down more than that. I believe that. So let's keep on watching this dude at this very support. If we should break the very support, then if price breaks this very support, we are heading here for sure. It's for sure. So guys, this is update that I have for us. Like and share and subscribe, guys. Like, subscribe and share this video, and make sure you turn on notification, because I'll be dropping more banger like this. Stay tuned, guys.